Hey everybody, in this video I am going to lift this London taxi, so let's get to it. Alright, what I'm going to do next, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the wheels, so I'm going to do that now. Alright, now the wheels are cut off, I'm not going to drill out the rivets, I'm going to keep those, so yeah. But however, I will cut off like this part right here, I'll cut those with like a hacksaw or something, but yeah. See that now? Alright, I've cut one of the little things out, and now I'm going to do the other side, so here it goes. Hey everyone, I'm back, and now that I've cut the space for the wheels to go, I'm going to show you what wheels I'm going to be using. These are the wheels I'm going to be using, like real riders, really cool ones too. And for the suspension, I'm going to use a zip tie, so yeah, let's do that. Sorry if you hear, do you hear a siren? If so, that's just, my area is just testing their tornado sirens. Sorry about that, but let's just move on to the next thing. So I realized that I accidentally cut the zip tie too short, so I decided to get like a weed whacker blade, because it's like just as springy. So yeah. And I just glued it on there, and I'll glue the wheels here pretty soon. I should get them right now, so let's do it. Alright, I now glued on the wheels, and yeah, I'm going to show off the car. So I hope you like it. Here it is, the final product. So yeah, there you have it. And as always, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay cool. See you tomorrow. But yeah. What's cool about this taxi is the fact that it's not only got like real riders, but it's like lifted, which is really cool if you ask me. It is pretty cool. See ya.